Why do we need industrial automation technologies? The answer lies in the desire to increase efficiency, improve safety, and reduce costs in various industrial sectors. Two key technologies that play a crucial role in this are SCADA, or Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, and DCS, or Distributed Control System. SCADA, as the name suggests, is primarily used for supervisory control and data acquisition. It's designed to monitor and control processes and equipment in real time, generally across large geographical areas or multiple sites. Picture a web of sensors and devices all feeding data into a central system, giving operators a complete picture of operations. That's SCADA for you. On the flip side, we have DCS, which is focused on controlling industrial processes within a specific plant or facility. Imagine multiple control units, each assigned to a particular area or process within a plant, working together to maintain optimal operations. That's the core idea behind a DCS. The architecture of these two systems also differs. SCADA systems are built on a hierarchical structure with a central master station gathering data from remote terminal units or programmable logic controllers at various field sites. This allows for centralized monitoring and control. DCS, in contrast, is defined by a distributed architecture. Control functions are spread across multiple controllers throughout the plant, which communicate with each other and operator consoles to harmonize process control activities. Industries such as utilities, oil and gas, transportation, and telecommunications, where remote monitoring and control of widely dispersed assets are crucial, commonly use SCADA systems. DCS systems, however, find their home in industries like chemical processing, power generation, pulp and paper manufacturing, and pharmaceuticals, where tight control of complex processes is vital for production efficiency and product quality. When it comes to integration, SCADA systems often blend with other enterprise systems like enterprise resource planning and maintenance management systems. This gives a holistic view of operations and aids decision-making. DCS systems, while they may also integrate with enterprise systems, mainly focus on integrating with other control and automation systems within the plant, such as safety instrumented systems and asset management systems. To sum it up, SCADA and DCS both serve the purpose of industrial automation, but they do so in distinct ways. SCADA systems are more about supervisory control and data acquisition across wide-ranging systems, while DCS systems are designed for controlling specific industrial processes within a plant or facility. Both are indispensable tools in the modern industrial landscape, each serving a unique purpose in the quest for increased efficiency, safety, and cost reduction.